Right, we've had another change in location. We are now in a town called Kampot. It's in the southeast of Cambodia. Pretty cool place so far. Today's adventure is we've rented another scooter. This one sounds like a lawnmower, but hopefully gets the job done. We have an hour-long ride up a mountain in this national park. I can't lie, this, if you remember the Hajang loop from like 4 weeks ago, about a month, this low-key feels like a small part of it. This national park is sick so far. Guess our second stop is this huge-ass monument. I don't know what it's for.